Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by committing to a single edge line and making the first cut. Use a half-moon or powered edger set to about 1/2 to 1 inch deep so you cut turf roots, not just grass blades. Once done, step along the hose or chalk line and drop the blade at a slight angle toward the lawn. This creates a clean vertical face. Keep movements deliberate and use your body weight to drive the blade, which prevents bouncing and uneven depth. Once the initial cuts are made, continue by working in manageable 3 to 6 foot sections to maintain control and consistency. You want the trench to be uniform, so after each pass, remove the sliced sod and loose soil with a flat shovel. This prevents the edge from collapsing later. Make sure to smooth the face with a trowel and lightly compact the soil behind the edge so the turf stays upright. If plants or roots obstruct, cut them cleanly rather than tearing to preserve the line. You finish by backfilling any small gaps, pressing turf back in place, or laying seed where soil was exposed, and tamping so the edge holds. Once complete, create contrast with mulch in beds and plan short maintenance trims every 4 to 6 weeks. Routine touch-ups keep the line sharp. If sections look uneven, recut those low spots with the edger and recompact loose soil immediately. This immediate correction prevents washouts and maintains a professional, durable edge.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.